Can a tiny box really transform the way you work? When it comes to Apple's Mac Mini, the answer might just be yes. The Mac Mini has always been celebrated for its sleek, compact design and powerful performance, making it a favorite among creatives, professionals, and everyday users who crave a space-saving yet robust computing solution. But despite its versatility, one limitation has persisted: connectivity. Enter the Satti Mac Mini M4 Hub, a device designed to bridge that gap seamlessly. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's rewind a bit. Apple's Mac Mini lineup has always been about minimalism, a clean design that fits anywhere from cluttered desks to high-end studio setups. Yet, as powerful as it is, users have consistently found themselves grappling with a lack of ports. Whether it's photographers juggling multiple memory cards, video editors working with external drives, or even remote workers needing stable wired internet, the struggle for adequate connectivity is real. This is where the Satti Mac Mini M4 Hub steps in. But is it just another accessory? Or could it be the stylish upgrade you've been waiting for? Imagine this. You're in the zone, editing a high-resolution video on your Mac Mini M4. You reach for an external SSD to access additional footage, only to realize every port is already occupied. You're left unplugging one device to make room for another, breaking your workflow and your concentration. This scenario is all too familiar for Mac Mini users. It's frustrating, it's inefficient, and it's exactly why a high-performance hub like the Satti Mac Mini M4 Hub is a game-changer. Designed to expand your device's capabilities without compromising on aesthetics or performance, this hub promises to take the Mac Mini experience to the next level. But how exactly does it pull this off? First impressions matter, and the Satti Mac Mini M4 Hub makes a strong one. Known for crafting high-quality accessories that complement Apple's design philosophy, Satti ensures this hub blends seamlessly into your workspace. It features a sleek aluminum enclosure that perfectly matches the Mac Mini's silver gray finish. At first glance, it's hard to tell where the Mac Mini ends and the hub begins. They look like one cohesive unit. But it's not just about looks. This compact and lightweight hub doubles as a stand, stacking neatly beneath the Mac Mini to save space and prevent cable clutter. It keeps your setup organized and your desk looking clean, all while providing easy access to essential ports. Speaking of ports, let's talk connectivity, the real reason you're considering a hub in the first place. The Satti Mac Mini M4 Hub is packed with options that cover all the bases. On the front, you get multiple USB ports, an SD card reader, and a headphone jack, perfect for quickly plugging in peripherals without crawling behind your desk. Meanwhile, the back panel includes an Ethernet port, HDMI output, and additional USB-C ports, ensuring a full range of connectivity options. Whether you need to connect high-speed storage, hook up multiple displays, or establish a stable wired internet connection, this hub has you covered. But flashy features mean nothing without performance to back them up. Fortunately, the Satti Mac Mini M4 Hub delivers where it counts. Its USB-C and Thunderbolt 4 ports offer ultra-fast data transfer speeds, enabling you to move massive files in seconds. Think about transferring raw 8K video footage or backing up entire projects without any slowdowns. This hub makes it effortless. Plus, Thunderbolt 4 support ensures smooth, lag-free performance even when connecting high-resolution displays or professional-grade accessories. Seamless integration is another highlight. The plug-and-play functionality allows you to set up the hub without any additional software or drivers. Just connect it, and it's ready to go. It also maintains efficient power management, ensuring your Mac Mini doesn't overheat or struggle under heavy workloads. This thoughtful design makes it more than just an add-on. It feels like a natural extension of your Mac Mini. Of course, no product is without its competitors. So how does the Satti Mac Mini M4 Hub stack up against other hubs on the market? Compared to options like the Aner Power Expand Elite and the CalDigit TS4 dock, the Satti Hub stands out for its balance of features, premium design, and affordability. While some competitors offer similar port selections, they often fall short in aesthetics or come with a bulkier form factor. Others may have more connectivity options but lack the sleek, cohesive design that perfectly complements the Mac Mini's minimalist look. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Satti Mac Mini M4 Hub offers a beautifully crafted aluminum design, an impressive array of ports, fast data transfer speeds with Thunderbolt 4, and hassle-free plug-and-play functionality. It also keeps everything cool and organized with efficient heat dissipation. On the downside, it could use more USB-A ports for legacy devices, and its premium build comes at a higher price than basic USB hubs. It also lacks a built-in power supply for charging larger devices, which might be a deal-breaker for some users. So, who exactly is this hub for? If you're a professional working in design, video editing, or other demanding fields, the Satti Mac Mini M4 Hub could drastically improve your workflow. It's also ideal for power users who need fast data transfers, multiple displays, and wired internet connectivity. Even casual users who want to streamline their office setup will appreciate the convenience and added functionality. At the end of the day, the question remains, is it worth it? The answer largely depends on your needs. If you're looking to enhance your Mac Mini M4's functionality without compromising on style, the Satti Mac Mini M4 Hub is undoubtedly one of the best accessories you can invest in today. It tackles the Mac Mini's connectivity limitations head-on while maintaining a sleek, cohesive design that feels right at home in any workspace. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.